there waiting.
No, Dad is inside the car. Naglakad kami pupunta dyan mga kachika kay may bibilhin kami. Okay.
Hello. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Calling card, not credit card. You're dragging your cardigan, babe.
Oh, look, is that into that? Into this? Look,
Before and after.
before and after. Shiny teeth. I don't have shiny teeth. Look. Yeah, look. Where's the show gonna start? Show. Okay.
Later, find the afternoon. No, Dad is inside the car.
And then where does it pot?
Round and round the garden, like a teddy bear. One step to say, under the day. Miss Lokalina, what? That's his prayer. You're very creative, Lina.
So I just
Artistic. Artistic, you are. And I got also, she made me mama heart binuan for daddy. What did you put for daddy, be? Daddy lang?
Yeah,
Daddy and mama for me.
yeah. I did
Thank
one
you.
for Lisa.
Did you?
Yeah.
That's nice,
I
Lina.
put it for my door.
Dito tayo mga kachika kay nag-ano ako. Nagtutupi ako. Actually, tapos na ako magtupi. Damang dabi. Nililigpit ko na lang. Ito yung ginawa niya. Okay, mahulog yung
I
cellphone
used a
ko.
white pencil to
Hindi, don't
make the
pa-spray.
star.
Parang ang dry ng
I
aking.
used a white pencil to use the stars.
Very good. Creative. Artistic.
And these are two. That's how Halloween was on the TV.
That's right.
Ala, look at that. The cruise ship is just there.
Wow! Oh my god! Oh jeez! Crazy! Right, I want to go cruise ship. I want to go cruise ship. Look at that. Oh my god!
Ayan. Okay. Ang likot. Hindi ko makita kung ano yung pangalan mga kachika. Careful, yeah?
Okay, let's go.
I can read the name of the
Fishing or swimming. Yeah, true. No fishing or swimming.
Naglakad kami pupunta dyan mga kachika kay may bibilhin kami. Okay. Tara, shabu. Pang ano nila ng sad ba? Pang dig. Alina knows what's the trick.
I'm helping you. Sorry. Make sure it's all tight. Up.
beach kasi yung mga bata gusto na magpunta dito. May air show pala mga kachika. Lina, this way. You're tired now. Got no socks.
That's a. That's a show here, right there. Seagulls.
Yeah, there's an extra. Seagulls extra.
Seagulls air show.
Yeah, that's it. It's their turn now. They're quiet now because there's no, I'm not going. Daddy will take it. Daddy will go with you. Only for free.
I want to go by myself.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Sasakay daw sila dyan.
You can't go by yourself. Yeah. I want to go by myself. You're too young. Stop because of this.
Ah. Be careful there, yeah? Daddy's not driving. Daddy got long. Oh, bye. Driving straight. Oh, where are they going now? Pagod na daw yung dalawa mga kachika. Si Alisa gusto na magpakarga sa akin. Sabi ko na sa inyo kanina na after the beach, let's go home. Pero hindi kayo nakinig sa akin kaya gusto nyo pa maggala-gala tayo kung saan-saan. So nandito kami, magantay kami mister kasi kukunin niya yung sasakyan kung saan nakapark doon sa may, kasi may ano yan siya, isang taon yung bayad niya sa parking doon kung saan swimming yung mga bata. So every year yan siya every year nagre-renew, kaka-renew niya lang yan noong this month yata, May or last month, ganun. Bayad niya for whole year. Kaya walking distance lang naman din from here. Kaya doon na siya nagparking para
Yogurt.
katin ang ilong ko. Ay, maligo tayo mga kachika kay naligo man ako kahapon. Ito na kayo hindi pa ako naligo kasi ubusin ko to. Hindi ko naligo kasi alam ko na maglabas kami. Punta ng beach. Kaya ganun. Itim ng aking tiyan. Busin ko na nga ito mga kachika. Kaya matagal na ako hindi nakagamit nito. Yung buko sobrang dry na. Papagupitan ko nga ito. Kasi sobrang mahaba na siya. Di pa nga ito nag-isang taon ng ang taas ng hinaba na. Yan. Hanggang dito na yung haba niya. Diba? Hindi pa ito nag 1 year. Hanggang dito na. Bilis lang humaba yung buko kasi. Lagi ako nagtatali. Diba? Lalo na pag may work.
Yes.
I feel the power. Babad ko muna to sa clip. What?
I want more popcorn.
No way, no.
Yeah.
No. She didn't say anything. Gawa-gawa ka lang ng istorya. Hihingi pa daw ng popcorn. Nagpapaluto ulit ng popcorn. sabi daw na, I said yes. No, I didn't say yes. She didn't ask me.
I even popped the seats for them.
And this is the camera. I mean,
The phone.
The phone.
Ginawa ko ng ano yung robe ni Alisa. Sige na. Let me see. It's wrong way around pa. It's okay. You're going to bed. Patulogin ko na to. Di na pala kami nagagamit ngayon ng ano, ng Dubai.
I will be uncomfortable. Tomorrow.
Kasi mainit na mga kachika. Pero tapos naman din yung heat wave. Umuulan-ulan na din. Pero yun nga, maano na siya. Warm na ba? Okay, lie down. Patulogin. Lie down properly.
Hello.
Ang braso ko. Parang boksingero. Sige,
I like that.
That is for a while, this, no? Maybe 5 years, this bedtime clothes.
Wow.
Oh.
5 years.
Mm.
Okay, so before I go to bed.
Okay. You still got water in there?
Mhm.
It's nice, that
It's
one.
up to here.
Have you used that one when you go to school yet?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Cause I don't want. I just need. When I get to school, I just need to do this. Carry it.
Carry all the time.
I don't want to do that.
Mm.
Just like have a holder like that.
Mm.
Because one of mine does like hold it.
Mm. Yeah, that one.
The bow one.
That one is okay only for your bedroom.
I just need to do like this too while I go to school.
Okay, so enjoy every moment. Okay, lie down.
This is supposed to be yours.
Yeah, supposed to be mine.
Well, you can have it if you're going to work.
Yeah, sometimes if I get something to put.
Coffee.
Or carrot juice.
Yeah, do you put
Hindi ka nakakatulog pag walang medyas. Sapa yung buhok ko. Ito na yung oras. Late. Mister na sa baba pa. Matagal din niya natutulog. Mga bata kayo na pa natulog mga kajika. Ako naman ay ang tawag yan? Nanood ako ng mga funny videos ba? Nangiyak-ngiyak ako sa mga funny videos. Wala pang ano lang. Pang ano lang ba? Palipas oras. I-blower ko na lang tong buhok ko kaya matagal pa tumatuyo kasi di ba nang inano ko siya pag parang mag cream silk mga kachika ba matagal matuyo kailangan i-blower.